Girls, you remember Carrie Bradshaw, Miranda, Charlotte, and what's the last one's name? I can't remember. Okay, anyway, so rim and lime, and then you stick that in pink sugar, okay? I'm calling the girls from Sex and the City, guys, if you don't know, okay? Sex and the City I used to watch it. I don't typically admit it, but I would admit it. And I watched the movies as well, even though the last one kind of sucked. Anyway, so that was some tequila, I'm thinking. Yes. It's fresh squeezed lime juice, some simple syrup. Okay, check this out, passoa, okay? And then we shake, pour that mix in the glass. And there you have it, homeboy, Sex in the City. Beautiful, all right? Garnish with a little lime slice, and we are good to go. Stay tipsy, all right, Mr. Big. I'm playing Mr. Big here, sipping. Girls know the show. Guys, it on HBO, go watch it. No, it's not a promo, but it was fun back in the day, all right? I watch every season. Shouldn't admit that, but later.